Hi everyone, I'm Mike, South Florida firefighter, back with Drone Nerds. Today we're going to take a look at the CZI LP12 searchlight and broadcast speaker system designed specifically for the Matrice 30 series. This is an added payload to go on the DJI M30T. As you can see, this payload comes in a small convenient box with a bracket, 4 screws, and a screwdriver for easy add-on to the top of the drone. This is an awesome feature to add to an already loaded M30T drone. The LP12 broadcasting and lighting system is a 2-in-1 design to be mounted on top of the M30 series. It has excellent lighting and broadcasting effects, and it weighs only 270 grams. Some of the specs on this broadcast and lighting system are impressive. It has an effective illumination distance of 100 meters and a broadcast distance of 200 meters. The LP12 payload slides into the top bracket, plugs into the side port, and then the icon pops up on the right side of the screen on the RC, and it's very easy to use and fast. Something to note that we noticed out in the field is when screwing in the bracket, it comes with 4 screws. 2 large screws and 2 short screws. The large screws go into the front and the 2 short screws go into the rear. Then you take the payload, slide it into the top, and then there's a button on the left hand side that clicks it in so it doesn't slide in and out. After the LP12 is locked into the bracket, you simply plug it in the back right hand side, and then your icon will pop up on the right hand side screen of your remote controller. That allows you quick access to all the controls of this payload. Some of the key features that first responders should take advantage of when using this payload is the ability of the spotlight to be synchronized with the gimbal and go up and down. This is extremely effective during night operations for search and rescue. Another key feature is the broadcasting system and the predetermined commands that you can use when going in the controller. These are some of the specs and features of the CZI LP12 payload on an already feature-heavy M30 series. Feel free to contact us at experts@dronenerds.com or leave a comment below. Once again, this is Mike with Drone Nerds. Have a nice day.